In Microsoft Outlook, there'll be times where you want to quickly move things, or there's common things that you want to do with your emails in Microsoft Outlook. So in this segment, what we're going to do is look at something called Quicksteps. Now, Quicksteps are just basically shortcuts that you can click on to perform a particular action. So we're going to do something simple. As you'll see here, I've got quite a lot of documents or quite a lot of emails in my inbox with the title Productivity Power. What I'm going to do is create a quick step that enables me to put any items that I click on into a special folder that says Productivity Power. So let's have a look at how we do that. First of all, we're going to click the drop arrow beside Quicksteps and choose New Quickstep. And I'm going to choose Move to Folder. Now, where it says name, I'm going to type in Productivity Power. So basically, I'll know that this particular Quickstep is called Productivity Power, and I'm going to use it when new Productivity Power emails come in to automatically or to just quickly be able to click and move something into a folder. I'm going to choose a folder and I'm going to go Other because I don't have any folders set up here. I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to call it Productivity Power and click OK. And OK again. So it's saying after this Quickstep's created, I don't have to enter this information again. I'm just going to click on Finish. Now, before we click Finish, there are a variety of options. So you could actually choose to mark it as unread, and you can go into a bit more depth, creating a keyboard shortcut, etc. We're going to keep it simple because we're just introducing the concept of Quickstep. So I'm going to click Save. Now, nothing's happened, but you'll notice up here on our ribbon, it says Productivity Power. Now, I am currently on a newsletter here that says Productivity Power. So I'm going to click on that, and if I click Productivity Power, it's going to move that item. I'll click the little down arrow here, and we can see it's moved it to the Productivity Power folder. So I can use, click on one, hold down the Control key, and click on Other Productivity Power newsletters that I want to put in that folder, and just click Productivity Power, and it moves them all. So those quick steps stay there and enable you to quickly do items. So if you regularly forward an email to someone else, rather than having to go open up the message, choose to forward it or reply to it, you can create quick steps that do that for you up here.